Oops. Hello YouTube. Today we're going to do the flat speaker versus cone speaker. Find out what the difference is. I told you in my last video we're going to do a test between the two. Here's the flat speaker. It's one of the cheaper ones. It's been modified, the bracket has. But that's the flat speaker. It was on the truck. I took it off because I'm going to put it on the minivan. And here is the cone speaker. This speaker is from the video that I did the other day. Whoops, it's moving on me. That speaker we got the other day. So we're going to do a test between the two. Here is the siren box. I've got it hooked to a 12 volt lawnmower battery. This is just temporary for now because this one's going in my minivan. And this speaker here is going to go in my truck. So I'm going to have two sirens in the minivan. Flat versus cone. 200 watts. This one does have quite a bit of power because I've looked at the amplifier. It is bigger than my previous one. We'll just go from there. If you like watch the video to the end. If you like what you see, hit that like button. If you don't like it, hit the down button. Leave your comments below. I'll try to put a link in the description to where I got this from on eBay. That way if y'all want one, you can. It's okay for it to be as cheap as it is. I think it's around $40, $45, somewhere in there. But anyway, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. That way you can be updated every time I make a new video. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to go with the flat speaker first. It's hooked up. Alright, that's the flat speaker. I'm going to pause the video. We're going to do the cone speaker. Okay, the cone speaker is hooked up now. You see the blue wire is hooked to it. That's it. I'm pretty sure y'all don't need to see the back of it. Y'all know what a cone speaker looks like. Alright, let's get started. I can tell a difference already, and I got earmuffs on. This one is louder. It could be because of the way I got it set. Let's just do it like this right here. Set it up on the edge. Scoot them back. Let's do the flat speaker one more time. Okay, we did the test. We tested them both, flat versus cone. Just for the heck of it, let's hook both of them together. Alright, YouTube. One box, two different speakers, flat versus cone, cone versus flat. You tell me what you think about it. Leave your comments below. Let's see how many likes we can get on this video. Maybe we'll get to 1,000 likes. Subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, well, put a thumbs down on it. Don't leave no comments if you don't like it. Or no, just kidding. Just, yeah, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it. I really like reading comments because I want to know what other people think about two different speakers. My opinion is not really the only one that counts. I want to hear everybody else's opinion. I want to know what people think about the cone versus the flat. Leave a comment. I'm interested. I'm curious of what people's going to say. I've been wanting to do this for a while. Like I said, flat, and this one has been used several times. This one I just got. I know it looks dirty, but that's just fingerprints and a little bit of dust. There's the box. But yeah, leave your comments below. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. That way you know when I post a new video. Let's try this again some other time. Let's do some more lights. Do some more sirens. I'm going to try to do some yard mowing this summer. Maybe I can get a little bit of footage doing it. But in the meantime, hit that subscribe button. Later.